Yes, sir. Is it a Via? Who the hell knows with these modern, newfangled, quiet engines now, you know? No, it's a Via. Yeah, those Genesis sound good. Yeah, man. Sure wish I had some signals here, though. Sorry. Yeah, the crappiness of winter is not over. Oh, I thought I saw another train coming. Mr. C and police doing their thing. Yeah. Not bad. Not too shabby. Jeez, I didn't even hear the fucking bells down there. Oh, that's a coincidence. There's Mr. C and police again. Sweet. Mr. C and police waits for the next offenders. Oh, Via number 2. Cool. Jeez, it's snowing so much, it's hard to see if this is even in focus or not. God damn. Oh, not bad for a guy who's fucking holding a coffee, let me tell you. You see that? The more you do something, the better you get at it. And if you don't, well, you probably should quit while you're ahead. Yeah. Oh, dual power. That's past the scrap.